I'm a dentist, but I'm on a train. Amazing. Oh, wow. Yes. Right, I'm off to sleep. I'll see you later. Good night. Hello and welcome back to Nantong railway station. We're going on a journey across Jiangsu today to the north. We're heading to Lianyungang. It's the home of the Monkey King, Chinese fable. You could even climb the mountain where he lives. Oh, it's quite quiet today in the train station. I'm liking the vibe. Oh, they've built a family mart as well now in Nantong train station. Well, check us out. Getting all the mod cons. 12:29, that's us there. The 12:20, the gate's just closing, so it'll be our turn next. Started letting a few stragglers through. I think they've started doing that now. If someone looks a bit weak, like myself, and needs special treatment, get the passport and I'll see if he's up for it. Oh, there we go, it's opened. All it needs is a green light. Perfect, thank you very much. It's a journey time today of 2 hours and 22 minutes, travelling about 350 kilometres. And we've got 7 stops along the way. It's the speedy train. If you wanted to get there originally, it would have taken at least 6 or 7 hours. But now we've got the fast train. Yeah, we can do it in 2 hours 22. I think we'll take that. Right, well, we've landed up at coach 3. We're in coach number 6. Better get ourselves down to the other end of the platform quick. Well, I'm not very impressed with this window seat. 你那个怎么弄？可以的，可以的，可以的。我们中间没有人，对吧？没有人。你是去哪里？
是高峰，江苏高峰。
那还有几张？
30张，
下一站。
3张。
哦，3张。好窗户。
哦。
但是没有窗户。
没窗户，这么多窗户。
你有没有吃过他们的饭？
今天吃了。
哦，你吃了？
最便宜的30块钱。
30块钱。
最便宜的。是
买了一顿饭，是吧？
哎，对。大排，一个大排。
哦，大排，猪排。
对，猪排。我是40、60。
也有60块的。60块里面有什么？
违者将依法处理。
小伙子，
我不能，
不能，你看我这么难听。难听。
我还从
那是讲的话。
So we're now going at 330 kilometers per hour, which is close to 200 miles an hour, and it just feels so smooth. You feel like you're flying. Right, so it's 1 socket per 3 seats, and the guys let me charge. That's very kind of him. Got someone peering round, having a little look. You.
Where do you come from?
From England.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, your English is very good.
Yes, I'm a college student.
Oh, right.
From Macau, do you hear that?
From Macau?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Oh, my God. Oh, you've made it to the Chinese mainland.
My hometown is Yancheng, so I back to the hometown. 16 hours.
16 hours?
I sleep in 在火车上睡觉。
昨天晚上就出发，对吧？到现在还没到。
对。
哎呀，太厉害！
飞机票太贵了。
哦，那一共那个车票多少钱？
绿皮车的话就300多。
300多。
住一晚上。
然后
环境不太好。
God, it'd be well rough on one of them old trains, sleeping overnight. Toilets for everyone's needs on this train. Got squatters, got the boiling tap, and we've got this bad boy, the accessible toilet. First time I've seen an accessible toilet on a Chinese train. It's massive in here. Nice little cafe bar. you can get Starbucks coffee, or you can buy a train as well. Let's go. 这个火车要多少钱？卖这个模型。
这种模型是138块钱，因为它是就质量比较好。
Oh, it's great, this train. It's definitely better than that other train I went on the other day. Granddad's getting off. 很高兴认识你再见。
再见。
Oh, the guard's just taking me on a tour now. Wow.
尽量就不要拍到我。
哦，我知道。Just keep coming down here. Oh, really?
这里面就是商务座，你可以参观。
You can get a little cushion as well. That's amazing. How are we gonna do this?
It's
All right. Oh, it's electronic. Oh, nice. Waiting for this to kick in. Wow. You're right up front here as well. Driver's door's just there, so train starts to get a little bit narrow. Oh, this is well good. You can get a little cup holder. Let's get that cushion in there. Oh, full relax mode.
Yeah.
What's happening now? Put that on there. Oh, it's turned into a bed. See if it goes flat. I feel like I'm a dentist, but I'm on a train. Oh my god. Oh, it's actually gone flat. Oh, that's crazy. Right. Use your pillow. Sorry, 如果你要坐这个座位要多少钱？
大概是3倍。
三倍。
对。
Flying. Yeah, that's good. Oh, it's well good, isn't it? You can get a little thing there.
Yeah.
And a little box of tissues, get that in.
然后还有这边，
Oh, yeah. Oh, little light.
还有脚桌板。
Oh, yeah. Oh, let's get that in. I sound this one for a bit. So there's even a table here. Does that come out? Oh, yes. Right. What's that for?
就是勾出来，方便那个拿的那个东西。刚才拿。
那挺好的。
那边还有音视频、电视啊。
So how do you turn it on? Is there a remote or something? 怎么开？
这边。
Oh, nice. Oh, 火车，还有那个拖鞋，
拖鞋，一次性拖鞋，还提供毛毯，我们
还提供
毛毯、毯子。
哦，
如果你觉得冷了，对，毯子稍微给你盖一下。
Oh, right. Oh, that's well good. So you get a pair of slippers and a little blanket as well. Oh, nice. So let's go into this. Oh, let's see what films we can watch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got a little.
现在就是近期没有更新了这些。
Right.
因为现在大家追求的更多的是无线网，用自己的手机搜索看，所以这个前期是做的比较早，第一代的时候，这个慢慢就淘汰掉了。因为做这个车刚出来的时候，中国刚进入这个4G 手机时代，刚进入这个智能手机时代。这个车是产出于11年、12年，那会儿还没有智能手机嘛，然后这个就所以现在有无线网啦，然后通讯设备更加发达了，这个就慢慢的就被淘汰掉了。
对，就是人家就是比较习惯
用自己手机搜索，对。
那已经有13年，对吧？
接近于13年了，应该是。
What an absolute treat! So he just come to my seat and they were like, "What are you doing, filming?" And I thought, "Oh God, he wants trouble." Little did I know he were a documentary maker and he wanted to come and film me in the big VIP seats. That's well good. Even come away with a free pair of train slippers. What a day. What an absolute treat. We've just arrived on time, 2 hours and 22 minutes later. The perfect way to travel from Nantong to Lianyungang. Right, time to climb that good old monkey mountain. I'm just thinking to myself, so he come and he says, "What are you filming?" Like, as if I'm gonna go, "Oh, I'm just filming some top secret stuff, you know, just spying on you all." Like, oh yeah, that's fine, don't worry about it. Like, like, what else were I gonna say? Like, I'm just filming Tring because I love it. I think he just wanted to come and get involved. He had a very cute nose anyway, so he's welcome anytime.